Hello, welcome. Today I am visiting a friend of mine and he likes to do work on his laptop. However, his laptop is creating an electric field, especially when it's being charged. So, I have here my AM radio and as we can hear there is a bit disturbance now. Now, can you put in the power to your laptop? We clearly hear disturbance now. Can you remove it? Can you plug it in? Can you remove it? Can you plug it in? Well, it looks very clear to me that there is a disturbance in the AM signal, so it could very well be also a disturbance for the human body frequencies. Who knows? So, I hope that you learned something today and see you in the next video.